Hi everyone, I'm Santhosh. I recently graduated my BE in Government College of Engineering, Bargur, and I have joined my embedded course in Emertxe Information Technology in June 2023. In that, they are morely focused on in four subjects like Linux, C, C++, and data structures and microcontrollers, which help me to get a job in core company. They are focusing in core subjects which company is expecting, and the lab mentors and class mentors are more supportive to get more knowledge in core subjects and programming languages. They will keep more programming tests and to build our logical skills and technical as well. And they are keeping some power tracks and helps to get more knowledge in technical and logical skills. And I am also a power track student, which I get placed in a premium company Honeywell. Placement in charges are more expecting to everyone get placed in good companies with good packages. I once again I am thank you for Emertxe to help me to get placed in core company Honeywell. Thank you.